with somebody that had to pay you the ticket.
All cash?
All cash.
5.
MRB.
5 million.
5 million?
Hmm?
Well, I'd do it for probably about 5K. I ain't saying
Hey?
you gotta hold it.
No, I ain't touching it for 5,000.
You said
1,000?
yeah.
The doctor bill gonna be 20. All right, everyone. So we got Mayo and Mustard King over there. I've been showing him to you guys. So we got my brother Will over there. He is working on multiple things. He's actually putting the gas tank together for the 70 Chevelle with the white top. I'm calling it the Chicago Bulls. I don't know what Mario gonna call it. It's his final decision. It's his car. We got Jay over here. Jay a football player, okay? But my man's is literally putting brakes and suspensions and all that. With the serpentine, ain't that how you say it called? Serpentine?
Yeah, serpentine.
Front serpentine kits and all on the MC. Put one on the green bean over there. Now you working on Yola with the, I don't know her name yet, but she Yola with the green pearlescent. Can you see it on camera? I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. That green is crazy. It's got Will on him. Let's see what my guy Will doing. Doug, what's up, brother?
What up with you, bro?
Man, cool. How you doing?
Good, man. Good.
What you got going on today?
Currently hooking up a fuel level sensor for the 70 Chevelle, the LS7.
Yup.
So that's currently what we got going on.
You know what, man? You know this. We doing a little different vlogging style. So we done dropped 2 so far as of them watching this. So there we'll have 2 vlogs on that build. So yeah. We're going crazy with that 70 build. So we're gonna give them as much as we can, to show them. Yeah, bro. You've been doing your thing too. They seen you put the headers on there. They seen you install the LS7.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they seen a lot. So
we're working on it. Hopefully by the end of the week that car will be done. So that's what we're working for.
okay, cool. This vlog come out at the end of the week, so maybe by the time they see this, that car might be done. That mean the next vlog they'll get to see it. That'd be cool.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Okay.
So we're waiting on the serpentine setup to come in we thought it had got ordered. Kind of like some miscommunication in there between us and who we were ordering it from. So we had to reorder that, but hopefully it'll be here probably like Thursday.
Okay.
But I want to make sure everything else is ready, so that way when the serpentine get here, as soon as I get down with that, I can fire it up.
Bet, Birdie, bet. All right. We using PSI engine harness?
Nah, it's got a Holley Terminator X.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm still learning, bro. That's so fire. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. All right. Oh, that's gonna be fire.
You good?
Bet. Hey, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. I'm gonna mess up.
It's all good. The part is.
Let's get it, man. I'm gonna check back in with you in the few.
All right, my brother.
All right, brother. Oh, bro. I forgot. Well, I didn't told him. You ain't told him. But who we got over there, man? The corner over there.
Oh, yeah. Baer Mustard King working
King. Big King.
Oh, yeah. Hey, he's working with magic over there on couple sets of days.
Man.
Couple sets. I know that you saw the rears you can put out.
Yo.
You got the tires mounted on. Now we got to get that Mayo Mustard put on. Yo, yes, sir.
Now we can convince Mario to put some D's on one of the Chevelles.
Exactly. I told him that Cone said he need to stay on that car, but hey, he ain't really trying to hit it.
Yeah, he don't want to hit that right now. We're going to keep talking to him.
Yeah, we're going to keep on.
We're going to keep going to it.
We're going to keep on.
You hear that, Mario? We're going to keep answering you, brother. All right, Ski. I'm going to come back.
All right, bro.
All right, brother. Witnessing a master at work. This guy's a gentleman. He drives around the country and just art, bro. Look at this. Like, he's literally doing it right now. So he pulled up to the BuiltbyYO Empire and Mayo and Mustard. Bro, pull up Mayo Mustard. We got Mayo Mustard. What you got, bro?
So our BTR fuel rail kit finally came in to match the BTR intake that we already got. And then, of course, that goes with the BTR cam kit that we already got inside the motor. Nice. They are usually I go to for LS and LT, internal motor parts and whatnot, cam kits, intake, stuff like that. Between them and Holley. as far as intakes. But yeah.
Yes, of course. All right, yeah,
Of course, right. But as far as cam kits go and stuff like that, BTR.
I know this is off the subject, but you know, because I do the computer stuff, but I definitely snatched that BTR sticker that they put in there. I put it on my PC instead of my MacBook. Yeah.
Oh yeah. They always include stickers with all their orders.
If there's one in there, I'm gonna go ahead and call dibs.
Oh yeah. There's one in there.
I need one for the Mac.
So,
Ooh.
BTR.
Oh yeah.
Pretty nice fuel rails.
Yeah, that's
So,
nice.
We're gonna get these installed on the motor today.
Okay.
And then I'm already working on the gas tank, so hopefully we get the fuel system finished up today.
Holley gas tank?
Yeah. So it's a Holley Sniper tank setup.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, so
That's
get all
70.
that took care of.
The red 70 going. I had to say the red 70 because, well, hold on. Is there another red 70?
Yeah. So we got another red 70 with an LT4 in it.
Okay.
And we got
so
this red 70 with an LS7.
with the LS. So we'll
Then
say
we got another yellow 70 with a small block.
the small block. Okay.
So-
Small block on the other.
Yeah.
LS7 on the red with the white top. Is it the red with the
Yeah, red with the black top.
black
It's
top?
LT4.
LT4. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, so.
I'm gonna get my notes together.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm recording this. I'm gonna remember.
Yeah. Yeah, so we good. We good.
All right. Cool, dude.
Yeah, so this is gonna get installed today. And hopefully all of this will be done today and then I can start on my wiring.
Cool. Perfect.
Tracks everything, gets them dirty.
Getting dirty quick, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
That means you gotta clean them a lot more.
Got you.
And just like that, the king is done. You know what I'm saying? Legendary status, man. You hear me? So, yeah. Whack no boxes off in the cut, man. You know how we do. I always got something to build. I always got a project. Shout out this brother. Poured up on us. He's able to fit us in his busy schedule. So that's actually pretty awesome. He did 2 sets for us, the chrome ones as well as the gold ones. Of course, like Will said, y'all should by now definitely seen the reels. I don't know if, well, as of me recording this, Mario ain't dropped the second reel, but definitely gotta make some more reels now. Look at this. I can't wait till they get shined up and everything. They're gonna be straight, bro. Like, what? Come on now. What y'all think? Should I put some Daytons on my car or some Forges? No, I'm definitely putting Forges on the Audi for sure. But should I give me a Chevelle with some Daytons and then put me dump Forges on the dump? I think so. Oh, what the? Okay, that was done. Look at the Chevelle with the D's on the Baer 24-inch Daytons on the Chevelle. Golly, that mother look fire. I think it look good. Yo, man. I can sit here and show these wheels all day. It's on fire. The wheels fire. We just got the wheels mounted. Now we got the man, come on, man. Come on, man. What in the world, man? Any car, like, they really can go pretty much any car with the yellow and the, you know what I'm saying? Then they go with the purple. Oh my gosh, goodness. Y'all know Mario love that purple. So, man, let's get it. Let's get it. Look at that. Ooh, I can't do that, man. I'm not that far. I mean, all fire. I can do the camera stuff, but when it comes to like everything else. Whew. All right. Let's see what Herm got going on over here. All right, what up, buddy?
What you do?
What you on, man?
Yeah, put some shells on your belt, buddy.
Oh, okay. We just 66. We had the Mustard and Mayo King earlier. He was using this for the, just to, you know, do the wheels, do the tires and that.
Riding down the road, gas tank fall out, blow up, shut the freeway down. We broke down because we ran out of gas. Power grind.
Bro, that'll be insane.
Alright, so we good for this. So now, I'm finna work on the Serpentine Kit that we was just talking about. But
Yeah.
it got delivered today, actually.
Okay,
So
okay.
That's what we're finna knock out right quick.
Bet. Baby.
What's somebody had to pay you to fix?
Okay.
Okay.
Five.
MRB.
5 million.
5 million?
Hmm?
Well, I'll do it for probably about 5K. I ain't
Hey.
saying you gotta hold it.
Nah, I ain't touching that bill 5,000.
You say,
1,000?
yeah.
The doctor bill gonna be 20. The
Ain't
doctor
gonna
bill
hurt
gonna be 25K.
you. Man, when last time you burnt yourself?
Man, I don't want to remember shit. I don't want to remember. That's it. Hell no.
I took some shoot not too long ago and burnt it.
It definitely
I
one.
ain't say you gotta hold it. You just touch it. Man, you rub you some mustard on it and shoot. You go on back today.
Fuck
You
that.
know, elevator.
So
Put
I
you some butter on it. You never put
I'm
butter on
old.
burn?
Oh yeah, I'm old. The bill take a minute from take longer for shit to hell on me, man. Man, come on, 5,000 to touch that shit. 5,000. I mean, at least 50. We ain't talking if it ain't 50. I'm still recording everything. How much to touch it?
You ain't gotta hold it now, just touch it.
Our numbers are totally different.
Oh. Nah, whatever your amount is. 5K. That's what I said.
Man, that's crazy. I said 5 million.
That's what I said. I just said like, you might lose them. You might lose your fingerprint, but I mean.
No, I'm crazy, huh?
Yeah, you tripping.
I'm tripping. Okay. I mean, I ain't touching no dick. I'm not touching that bill no 5,000, bro. Man, my hands worth more than 5,000, B. Bro, we all use our hands.
Oh yeah. Shit, we in there. Just like that. Technically, I didn't say well.